Go this way down here. There we go. Good. Excellent. So tender right in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit off this way too. Right there. Good. Good. Feel that one?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. That curve right here. But we're going to come in right in that, right at the L3 area. Feel that? Excellent. Good. So we're just going to get this spot. Feel that right there?
Oh, yeah.
Right there. Okay. So we're going to come right in here. Good. Feel that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, clunk. Good. Perfect.
Sure, yeah.
Is that tender right there?
A little bit.
Yeah.
So we took, what, third place?
Good. Feel that in there?
Yeah.
Okay.